Alright guys, let's go check out the Ocaso booth. Got Rick right there in the blue jacket doing some business, and I thought I saw some new folders right over there. Guys, this is the Lucent OTF. Look at the handles. M390 steel. Oh, look, they got jimping on the top. So fidgety. Here is the bigger brother. Again, check out the milling on those handles. Where it's legal. Ooh, look at that harpoon on there. Did not realize I had a harpoon blade shape up front. That is fierce looking. Here's a look at the Sovranto slip joint knife, titanium.
What's the minimum?
M390 steel. That is a true gentleman's knife. Beautiful finish on that. Looks like a little bit of a satin finish. And again, beautiful work on the pivot with the Ocaso logo.
We've had a lot of people.
You guys might recognize this from last year. This is the Damascus Solstice. Gorgeous knife. Fat carbon, but they're making an improvement. So you got titanium on this side, but the newer versions now are fully fat carbon liner lock on the inside. That's gonna save on a ton of weight. Look at that, gorgeous. Same beautiful Damascus. Beautiful fat carbon now on both sides. The strategy was out last year, but now we've got anodized aluminum. Check out the red on that. Satin finish on this one. And the other one's gonna have a PVD blade. Pretty sweet. Here's a look at the Seaton Japanese OS 10A stainless steel handles, liner lock, and looks like we got a reversible thumb stud. Beautiful blade shape on that. Let's see if I can get that to flick open on one side. Ooh! Yes. Let's wrap it up by having a look at my favorite from last year. This is Ocaso's desk knife, right? Held together with a magnet. Basically your dual-fisted letter opener. That one's got just round milling. This one has kind of a honeycomb. Awesome.